Hello, welcome back to the J&B. What you're looking at here is a furnace for a 1989 Terry Taurus travel trailer, model 29L, and what the problem is, my furnace won't light, won't start, won't do anything. So I came out and looked up the exhaust port and seen mud dauber's nest. So I cleaned out what I could get the straight for the straight exhaust there, and then shined my light back in there, and it looked and appeared to be more where they turn the curve, because it's like a zigzag pattern in there. So I have to take the furnace out, disassemble the case off of it, and put hot water down the port, fill it about a third way up or what have you before it gets anyway, got to fill it up and dissolve the mud so that my igniter and everything else could work, and it'll blow out and operate properly. So stay tuned. Right now it's got to disconnect the gas right there, and then we'll start pulling it out and disconnecting wires here from the other side. Over here is electrical cables. You have the big yellow connected to the big white, the little white to a blue, and then a blue to a red. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the blue and red wire nut on top. I'm just going to disconnect everything. And then you also have a red wire to the black wire, which the red's hot and the yellow's ground. Technically that's all you need to run the furnace. You just wire these two together to set the thermostat, and you'd be able to run it to the outside. So pretty much all you have to do is red to the black, yellow to the white, and then you can color code these two. Put 2 pieces of tape on the red wire and 2 pieces of tape on the blue wire. That way you know those 2 wires go together. Alright, I got it out here sitting in the floor. Now I'm going to tilt it back and forth, and you can hear the mud dauber nest rattling around in there. So I'll probably have to take the casing off and pull everything out just for the, you can see what I'm talking about here. Move it around. But down in here, let's take this case off. And but anyway, make a long story short, just take a few bolts out and it should pull out. But like I said, I can move it around, and you can hear the mud dauber nest moving around in there. I can get a rubber mallet and lightly tap on it, beat it loose, and then if it all don't come out, then I can fill a third up with water and just keep sloshing it around. Alright, right here's the blower unit, and like I said, the yellow's ground, these 2 blue are the thermostat, and the red is the positive. So I'm going to hold the ground. I've already got the thermostat set. This here's just simulating it's connected to a thermostat. And my friend there, he's going to connect it to the ground to see if it'll come on.
Just ready?
Yeah. Let me touch the ground here. Alright.
I gotta get rid of that. I get the fence up, that's gonna be the next thing, get that
And
building.
then
Get in there, get the what's good out of it.
So now, I know I gotta clean that port out where the mud daubers made their nest. Alrighty, about a month later I got that thing out. That didn't take that long. Just 2 screws hold me up. Filled about almost where it gets ready to go over into that other chamber.
Oh, it's over there now already.
Alright. We'll let that soak out and get all that crud out of
her. Muddy water.
Alright, I got it back installed. As you can see there's some of the mud that came out of it before I soaked it in water. But I can turn it on now, and then, you know, there's that 15-second delay, and you can hear everything kick on, and then the automatic igniter it'll ignite. Like I said, it's a DC/LP furnace. I'm just going to cut him on here and turn him wide open. It's like a 15-second delay, and then the fan will run, and then you'll hear it kick on, and then the propane light. There's the fan there. There's it kicked on to ignite. There you have it, just troubleshooted and blowed out the furnace and cleaning out the exhaust port from the mud daubers. It wasn't letting it have its proper air or what have you. But it sure beats $700 some for a furnace. And although yes, this is midsummer, July, winter's rapidly approaching. Thank you for watching.